Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Target SBI. These are the contents we are going to see in this video. First, the daily to-do list. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Let's see inequalities questions. First one, we'll go through the conclusions directly. B to A, the flow from B to A, yes it is true, so it is also true. V to A with equal to everywhere, here it is V. From V it is going to A, but there is missing of equal to here, so this case fails. Okay, next one. Here A to L, the flow from A to L. From A it is no way for L, so this case fails. From G to B with everywhere equal to also, here it is G, here it is B. It is flowing and everywhere there is equal to also, so this case is true. Next one. U to K, here it is U. From U it can go to B, from B it can go to K, and here the combined symbols between U and K are greater than or lesser than or equals to. Here we have this lesser than or equals to in between U and B, means U to K, from U to K. Here we have U to K, there is flow, but in our equation there is equal to also, so individually these cases fails, but on combining we'll get the same thing, so it is either or case. Next one, A to B, here A to L, L to C, C to G, G to B, and it is true. T to O, and everywhere there is equal to also. From T we can go to C, from C we can go to O, but there is missing of equal to here, so this case fails. Next one, A to B, here it is A, from A we can go to O, from O it is equal to B, so here everywhere there is equal to also, so this case fails. M to V, here it is M, from M we can go to B, from B we can go to O, and from O we cannot go to V, there is no possibility to reach V, so this case fails. Now we are going to see syllogisms. Question number 1, at least fan is table, means some fan is table. All table is chair. No fan is sofa. Let's see conclusions. All chair can never be sofa. All chair can be sofa possible. All chair can be sofa. That case fails, means this case will be true. Some table can be sofa. Here it is table and it is sofa, we can write some, so it is possibility, so it is true. Only button is needle. Needle doesn't share with anything except a button. Some button is hook. Only a few hook is thread. Let's see conclusions. Some thread can be needle. Needle doesn't share with anything except a button, so this case fails. Some thread can never be button. Some thread, all thread can be button. All thread can be button, we can write that one, so that case is true, so this case fails. Next one, only a few copper is iron. No iron is gold. Only iron is silver. Okay, so silver is inside iron and doesn't share with anything except iron. Let's see conclusions. Some silver is copper. Silver doesn't share with anything except iron, so this case fails. Only gold is copper. It means the copper does only shares with the gold, nothing except that. But in this case we can share this gold with iron and copper also, so this case fails. Neither one nor two. Next one, no blue is white. At least white is green means some white is green. Only green is red, so red doesn't share with anything except green. Let's see conclusions. All red is blue. Red doesn't share with anything except green, so this case fails. Some red is not blue. It is talking about red and blue. We already know that red doesn't share with anything except green, so this case is true. Next one, all kajal is shampoo. All kajal is conditioner. Only conditioner is soap, so this is soap. SOAP, soap. And soap doesn't share with anything except a conditioner. Let's see conclusions. Some soap can be kajal. Soap doesn't share with anything, so this case fails. Some shampoo is conditioner. Here it is shampoo and it is conditioner, and these two are sharing some part, so this is true. Let's solve a square sitting arrangement puzzle. 8 persons are sitting around a square table, 4 of them sitting at the corners facing outside, and the remaining 4 sits at the middle of the table. So everyone draws like this, but I prefer to draw like this. These all are same. I prefer to draw like this. Okay, let's note the rough statements in the side. And it is saying that the corners facing outside and middle facing inside. Okay, next, Tarun sits second to the right of Amit. Amit right side, second person is Tarun. Ria sits at the corner of the table. Ria corner, one person sits between Ria and Tina. Ria and Tina, one person is sitting in between them. Okay, Tina, who is not an immediate neighbor of Reena. Tina and Reena does not be immediate neighbors. Okay, next one. Two people, two people sit between Tina and Seema. Two people sit between Tina and Seema. Okay. Next, Seema, who is not a neighbor of Ria. Seema and Ria doesn't be adjacent to each other. Next one. Reena and Seema does not sit opposite to Kunal. So if it is Kunal, Kunal opposite person does not be Reena nor Seema. Okay. Next one. Anuj sits immediate right of Seema. Anuj sits immediate right of Seema. This one. Last one is Reena sits third to the right of Anuj. Reena sits third to the right of Anuj. So 1, 2, Anuj right side. Third one is Reena. Okay. Now we need to find our puzzle solution using these rough statements. First we start with Tina, because there is Tina more. It is talking about Tina more. So let's start from here. let's take Tina in the, or else first we'll go with Seema, Anuj to Reena. From Reena we can write Kunal or something, anything. So we'll go with the Seema first. Let's take Seema in the middle. Let's take Seema here. Seema, immediate right person is Anuj. So this is Anuj's place. Okay, next. Anuj, third to the right is Reena. So 1, 2, third one. This is Reena. Okay. Next one. Reena and Tina does not be immediate neighbors. So Tina cannot be sit here or here. Let's take Tina here. If it is Tina, then this is place for Ria from this. Okay. Ria is corner, as it is in the corner. Then what we left is Amit, right side is Tarun. So there is only one place. Here it is Amit's place. Amit's right side is Tarun. This also completed. This is all completed. Tina does not be Reena, immediate people. Okay, this also completed. Let's see this one. Tina and Seema, there is two peoples. Tina and Seema, there is two people. As it is also completed. Next one. Kunal doesn't be opposite to Reena or Seema. So there is only one place left, which is Kunal. And it is does not be opposite to Reena or Seema. So this is also satisfies. Seema and Ria does not be immediate. Seema and Ria does not be immediate. Yes, it is also clear. So this is our puzzle. Let's see the questions. Question number 1. Who sits opposite to Reena? Answer. Reena opposite person is Amit. So answer will be Amit. Second question. How many persons sit between Anuj and Tarun? How many persons? Here it is Anuj and here it is Tarun. There is two people. If we take from left of Anuj, two people from left of Anuj, or else 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 people from the right of Anuj. Okay. Third question. Who among the following is immediate neighbors of Ria? Immediate neighbors of Ria. Answer will be Ria immediate neighbors is Reena and Tarun. We are going to see simplifications. Question number 1. Here first we will do with the numbers 9 minus 3, 6, 6 minus 2, 4. So here it is 4. 7 by 8 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. This is from this side equals to question mark square, and this will be 11 by 24. Okay, here it will be, the LCM will be 24 here. 8 3 times, so 7 3 times 21 minus 4 6 times, so 6 minus 6 4 times, so minus 10. So we here get 4 in 4 and 11 by 24. This 11 by 24 comes this side with minus 11 by 24. equals to question mark square. So here the value will be 4 equals to x square. So answer will be plus 2 or minus 2. So here option given is option D 2. It is our answer. Next one. Here the fraction will be 9 plus 5, 4, 6, 7, 3. Okay, this will be 4 by 5. This comes that side with minus. Okay, this is 399, 3 by 5. So totally equals to question mark. So we have x equals to here first we'll subtract these. We have 5, 9 minus 7 will be 2. Okay, 25, and these are 3 by 5 minus 4 by 5. It will be 25 minus 4 by minus 1 by 5. It is minus 1 by 5. We'll take 24 and we'll give 1 to this one. 1 minus 1 by 5, which will be 24, 4 by 5. So answer will be 24, 4 by 5. Option B. Next one. 75% of 540 means 3/4 of 540. 4 1 times 4 3 times 12 and 5 times 3 5 times 15, 3 3 times 9 10, 3 1 the 3 4 405. This is 405 plus 66.66% means 2/3 of 3870. 3 1 times 3 2 times 3 9 times 0. So it will be 1290. So 0852 2580 plus 405. We get 5892. So our answer will be 2985. Option D. Next one. It is 25 divided by 100 percentage means 00 here. This is 64 divided by 00. Okay, this is whole equals to x square. So therefore x value will be, here it comes 5, 4 zeros means 00 into this will be 8 divided by 100 means 10. So we have 8 5 times 40 divided by, these are 000 means 0.04 is our answer. Option C. Next one. 45 into 3 whole square means 45 into 3 into 45 into 3 divided by, this will be 15 1.5 means 3 by 2. 3 divided by 2 means that comes 2 on the top into 320 whole divided by x square. So here it is x square equals to 9 into 120. We have 3 3 9 9 cancelled. 3 15 times 45. Here 0 and here 0 cancelled. 3 5 times, 3 4 times, 4 8 times. So totally we left with x square equals to, we left with 8 into 2 into 45 into 5. Okay, 5 2 times 10, 10 8 times 80 into 45. I convert this 80 as 20 into 4. Here this will be 1800. 1800 into 2 means 3600. So x value will be 60. Option C. To see quadratic equations, question number 1. Here it is 40 means 8 5 times is 40, minus minus means plus and minus. Okay, here it is 30, 6 5 times is 30 and the roots will be negative. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than or equals to y. Next one. This is 24. 6 4 times 8 3 times is 24 and the roots is negative. Here it is 40 means 8 5 times is 40 and the roots are negative. To make the base equal we multiply this with 2. Here it is minus 6 8 2 times 16. Here it is minus 8 and minus 5. By comparing these two, this minus 6 is inside in between these two, so it is clear that x is greater than y and x is lesser than y. No relation. Next one. Here it is 8x square plus 10x minus 7 equals to 0. In this equation 2y square minus 16y plus 30 equals to 0. So 8 7 times 56, we need to get 10, which will be 14. 4 times is 56. Here the roots will be minus and plus. Here it will be 60. 10 6 times is 60 and the roots will be in positive. To make the base equal we multiply this with 4, so it will be plus 40. 6 4 times 24. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than y. Okay, next one. This will be 22 4 times 88 11. 8 times is 88 and we get 19 and the roots will be positive. Here it is 6 2 times 12 120. 120 means 12 10 times and the roots will be in positive. To make the base equal we multiply this with 3 and we multiply this with 2. 8 3 times 24. 3 11 times 33. Here 12 2 times 24 and this is plus 20. By comparing 2, it is clear that x is greater than or equals to y. Okay, next one. Here in the end we see minus, so this is no relation because here the roots will be negative and positive. Here the roots will be positive and negative. By comparing negative and positive, x is lesser than y. By comparing positive and negative, x is greater than y. So this is no relation condition. Now we are going to see yesterday's homework given wrong number series questions. Here it is very clear that this is into 2 times plus 7. This is into 2 times, which will be 62 plus 7. 69 into 2, 138. 138 plus 7, which will be 145. 145 into 2 times, 290 plus 7. So answer will be 144 is our wrong number, option B. Okay, let's see next question. Here it is into 5 times plus 1. This is into 5 times. It is into 5 times. Here it is into 5 times plus 1. So we need to get this one. So here I see a small mistake. 456. It must be 456. If it is 6 into 5 we get 0 80 plus 1. So this is our wrong number. Let's see this one, into 5 plus 1, which will be 6. So our wrong number will be 455, option C. Next one. It is, we'll go with the differences here. It is 16. Here it is 36. Here it is 4. 12 minus 6 64. So it is 4 square 6 square. This is 8 square, so it must be 10 square, but here the value will not be 10 square, so this is not. Here the difference is 8 and 22 means 98, so this is our wrong number, means this one is our wrong number. 132 plus 100, which will be 232 is our answer. So wrong number will be 230, option A. Next one. Here it is into 1. This is into 3 times 3 7 times 21, 3 6 times 18, 20. Okay, into 3 times into it is 1 time, 3 times, let it be 5 times, then we have 1005, let it be 7 times 7, 10 times 35. So this is our wrong number, so option D is our wrong number. Next one, it is 17. So here the difference is 2. Here the difference is 9. Here the difference is 28. Here the difference will be 5 and 11 means 65. Okay, here the difference is 7 to 1. So these numbers are familiar as 2 cube plus 1, 3 cube plus 1, 1 cube plus 1. This is 4 cube plus 1, 5 cube plus 1, which will be 126, not 127. So wrong number will be 248. So answer will be option C, 248. These missing number series questions are the homework for today. Please try to solve and comment your answers. Let's solve 5 mixed arithmetic questions. Question number 1. When the speed of the motorbike is reduced by 4 kilometers per hour, it takes 10 hours more to cover a distance of 800 kilometers. So time difference will be 10 hours. Means time will be difference. First time means distance 800 kilometers with a speed, let x be the speed, and same 800 kilometers now reduced by 4 kilometers per hour, x minus 4, then it will be 10 hours. This is what it is given. Find the time taken by the motorbike to cover 1200 kilometers distance. So with its original speed, so first we need to find the speed x value. From this it is 800, take common, x minus 4 minus x divided by x into x minus 4 equals to 10. From this equation we can get x value will be 20. Here it is difference between them, so this is positive and this is a negative and this will be positive. We get a quadratic equation. From quadratic equation, solving that quadratic equation, we get x value will be 20. Now we need to find the time taken to cover 1200 kilometers. Time equals to distance. Distance will be 1200 kilometers with speed 20. 60. Answer will be 60 kilometers per hour. Option C. Next question. In an examination, a candidate got 40% marks and failed by 60 marks. So what is the pass percentage? Is pass marks is 40% of total marks plus 60 marks will be the pass mark. Okay, if he got 60% marks, he gets 15 marks more than the pass mark. Means if we reduced 15, then we get to the passed marks. So passed marks equals to passed marks. Now find the pass mark. So from this it is clear that 20% value will be 75. We need to find either this or this one. So it is 20% value is 75. So here it is 40%. So double of this one, 150 plus 60 will be the pass mark, which will be 210. Answer will be 210. Option D. Next one. Aman lent 7,000 to Barka for 2 years. Aman to Barka 7,000 for 2 years to Chandini, rupees 4500 to Chandini. Aman to Chandini 4500 for 4 years and received 2560 as simple interest. The rate of interest will be, so it is for R rate and it is also for R rate. Total interest will be 2560. We need to find the rate of interest R value. Here it is 0000 cancelled, double zeros cancelled, 72 times 140 R plus this will be 180 R equals to 2560. Total it is 320 R equals to 2560. 0 cancelled. R value will be 16 2 times 16 times. So this 2 8 times. So R value will be 8. So option C is our answer. Question number 4. Adir can do a piece of work in 30 days. He started the work and left after some days. When 40% of the work was done, means there is left with 60% of work. After it, Bablu joined and completed it working for 9 days. So 60% of work was completed in 9 days. So by Bablu. So what is the total time taken by Bablu? Means 100%. Taken by Bablu means 2 3 times, 2 5 times, 3 3 times. So Bablu takes 15 days. So A can complete in 30 days. Adir, Bablu can complete in 15 days. So what we need to find, in how many days Adir and Bablu can complete the work working together. So we have formula into by sum of these two, 45, 15 3 times and 3 10 times. So answer will be 10 days. Option C. Next one. If a train 200 meters long passes a telegraph pole in 11 seconds. So it is clear that the speed will be this one. Speed is equals to the time taken by it to cross a tunnel of 400 meters. We need to find time. Time is equals to speed distance. Distance will be 220 plus 400, which will be 620. So time will be 11 20 times 20 and t will be 31 seconds. So answer will be option C, 31 seconds. Thanks for watching.